with that, looking at continuous improvement and innovation. And I think that there's an old saying, never let a good crisis go to waste. So it sounds like you've turned this into a positive for your business. What other accomplishments would you say, Rick, that you're proud of in your business, that you accomplished either in the last 12 months or in recent history?
Well, that's a tough question to answer, because we have so many multiple businesses under the 360 banner. We're on the collision side. We're super proud that we were one of the first companies in BC to have a satellite location. It's been fairly successful, and it's a true satellite location. We're just waiting to this COVID stuff to sort of get through to get back pushing that again. We win lots of awards. We're super proud that we committed $100,000 last year to the Crystal Gala Foundation. It was a fairly big commitment that was done by not just Daryl and I, but a lot of the staff were involved and understood what we were doing, among the everything else that we support. But that was a fairly sizable commitment to our community, and we were pretty proud of that. And we've also, of course, built lots of really cool cars, so which is always fun. Like I say, it's a very unusual shop, but our collision shop is one of the fastest growing ones in the Fraser Valley. And Daryl and I, I get asked all the time, how did you guys become successful? The truth is it's because we never give up, and we don't take no for an answer, and we push when other people we know they're going to give up, and we push hard, and we push harder than anybody else. And that's why we're where we are, because Daryl and I are two small town boys in the big city. Where we've been here longer now than we were growing up on the island, but we weren't graced with receiving our parents' business. We started with absolutely less than nothing, and so I think that on the big scale, that's probably what we're most proud of.
Very cool. That relentless attitude will get you very far in business. So that's
sure hope so.
That's great to hear. Well, it's worked for you so far.
So far,
last question here, Rick. What do you want to be known for by your customers, in your community? What would you say, your brand stands for? What do you want to be known for?
Well, I think we're already known for a 360 is to be a trusted brand. I think certainly from a brand penetration, our small company has got the same brand penetration a larger one would. So obviously we're proud of that. But I think people need to know that they have peace of mind when they come here. No matter what you're going to get done under this roof, you need to know that there is a team of people behind the scenes that make sure that your vehicle, no matter how big or small that job is, the processes get followed relentlessly. To make sure that that vehicle is back to you safe, clean, and better, or as good as it was before it got into the accident. And people come from all over the province to get their cars painted here. The world, in fact, on the custom side, but certainly from a collision side, we have a very good reputation. We have a good reputation with the insurance companies, and we're a company that people want to do business with.
Fantastic. And how many OEM certifications again, Rick?
We have 11 OE certifications, yeah.
Wow, that's incredible. So, quality is important to you in your business, standardization, consistency, and a solid reputation that you can stand on, that with decades of a proven track record. So congratulations on your accomplishments, Rick, to you and your team, and to Daryl, and to everybody who is involved in making your business successful. Thank you for making the time today to talk to us. And we'll just give a final plug here.
You can look us up at 360 Collision Centers. It's a fairly easy website to find. And if you have any questions, you're always more welcome to give us a call. We are here to answer your calls.
Great. And you can also find 360 Collision Centers on our website, www.crashbay.com, the first online marketplace for collision repair. Thanks again, Rick Francoeur, for making the time today. It was a pleasure speaking with you. All the best to you for the rest of 2020.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks, Rick. It's always a pleasure.